I'm Sloan Mercerhill. I graduated high school in 2024 and I'm a sophomore at CSU. I've had a lot of fun trying out different things because as a first year they have you do lots of different types of areas of filmmaking so you can really figure out what you're interested in. And the second semester they have it laid out as a block. So you start with screenwriting, then you go to your production class, then you go to editing and you work on your short film throughout. I knew I wanted to go to college, but I didn't know what I wanted to do with the rest of my life. So I was like, I might as well try out a film camp, and if I like it, then I can do that, and if I don't, it's a good experience. At the time we had a 3-week film camp, so it was 3 weeks to make your whole short film just for yourself. Now that's the 2-week option. And then the next year I did the documentary intensive, so at the end of the week I had a short documentary, and then I did the acting directing intensive, where we did a couple scenes and acting exercises and directing exercises. As soon as I had my first short film, I was like, I would love to do this the rest of my life because I love theater and I love YouTube, and just the combining of the passions and realizing, oh, this is a field I can actually go into and it's actually a feasible option for the rest of my life.